Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And I want to ask you, have you ever been in a situation where someone has asked you for help or you needed help when involved fixing or repairing your computer? Now, there are a lot of programs out there that offer this. A lot of programs to where the person who is helping you can remotely log into your computer and work on it as if they were sitting right at your house, assisting you. Well, although there are a lot of programs out there, a lot of them are paid programs and some of them are monthly based, subscription based. It just depends on how they have that particular program set up. However, if you really want to get someone to help you and you know a trusted source, whether it be an organization or just an individual, then there should be a program that is on your computer that is actually built into Windows 10, and it's called Quick Assist. And this program here is free. You can use it as often and as long as you like, as long as you have Windows 10 built in. There are no restrictions. The one thing about it that differs from a lot of the other assisted programs is that the person who you're trying to help has to be right in front of their computer. In other words, if the person wants to just do a maintenance on your computer, like update the antivirus or do cleaning, utilities or procedures on it, then they just can't remotely log in without you being there. You actually have to be at your computer to have them be able to remotely log into your computer. So to bring up the program, you will just go to the search bar down at the bottom of your taskbar and type in the word quick and then the word assist. QUICKASSIST. And when you do, this program is going to come up like this. Now, let it also be known that you are going to need a Microsoft account. So if you do not have a Microsoft account, now this is if you're helping the person, not if you're wanting to help. If the person that's helping you does not have a Microsoft account, they would need to create one in order to help you. Now, if you are just wanting help, then you don't need one. What you're going to do is when this window comes up, and the person that's helping you should be instructing you on what to do at this point, but if not, then this video could help you learn or understand how this works so you'll be more familiar with it. So you're going to come over, when the window comes up, you're going to go to get assistance, and now the other person is going to be on their computer. Now I'm going to try to do a split shot here to where I can show you on one computer that I'm actually trying to log into the other computer, and the other computer is showing me logging in, so you can see how this works. So in this case, I have the window open and I am going to log into my laptop that I have here at the house. So in other words, I am going to give assistance. So in order for me to assist the other person, and this is where I need to sign in at, and I'm going to blur this out because I don't want this being broadcast. So you would type in the email address that you have associated with the Microsoft account and then click next. Now it should ask you for a password. Once again, this is for the person who's given assistance. Now when you sign in, it's going to give you a certain amount of time to put in the security code. If the time passes, the security code expires and you have to start the process all over again. Now, the person who's assisting, their job is to give this code to the person who needs the help. So right now I'm going to show you the other computer or the other screen that is going to pretend to be the person who I'm trying to help. At this point, the code has been given to the other person, and it's going to give you the option to take full control of the remote computer or the guest computer, or to just view their screen. In other words, you'll be able to just view whatever it is they're having issues with, but you will not be able to have control of the computer. You won't be able to, click any buttons or move anything or anything of that nature. So if you want to take full control, make sure take full control is selected, click continue, and the other person has to give permission on the other end. And now I am connected. To expand this screen, you're going to click maximize. So this is the desktop, and as you can see, their cursor is almost my cursor. And then from here you can pretty much do anything that you would do that if you were standing right in front of their computer. You can update programs or check for updates. You could pretty much have not free will, but you shouldn't have any restrictions on using this program. Now it can be a little slow at times, and there can be times when it may seem unresponsive, which is the con about using this particular program. Sometimes the connection will drop, and but when you're talking about something free, you're not going to be getting the best of something when you're talking about getting it free. I've had issues with this program where it just stopped responding. The person had to restart their computer, and I tried to reconnect. It just is very is very issuey, and I just you just have to keep trying if you're helping a person. So the thing is to not give up. It does work, but like I said, it's very touchy. Sometimes it connects, and sometimes it just disconnects without you even knowing about it. Everything just stops, and all of a sudden you just lose connection. But it's a good free program if you're trying to help someone, and in a quicker way when it comes to trying to help them solve whatever computer problems that they are having. So, and but it's free. So, but it's a good program. So if you haven't tried this, if you have more than one computer in your home, I say give it a try. See what it's like on both ends. Try to be the helper, and try to be the person who needs the help. And this way it will familiarize yourself with how this program works. There are a lot of other options up here as well that you can choose. Select monitor. You can select different monitors. There's an annotate program which will allow you to draw or highlight things on the screen, so it can help the person see exactly what it is that you're talking about. You can do an actual size of the screen size. You can toggle an instruction channel. I haven't had much experience with that. You can I think this is okay, that's just a split. You can restart the program. Now in some cases it will automatically connect after the computer restarts. In most cases it will, but if it doesn't, you'll kind of have to start the process all over again, where you have to give the person the security code and things of that nature. There's a task manager here option. You can pause it, you can stop it. There are other things. Oh, this actually gives you a more detailed readout on what each of these buttons mean, which is a good thing, because sometimes these icons don't, people aren't familiar with it, you don't know what they mean. So you can hit details, and it'll give you more information about what each of those icons means. But as you can see, it is working, and it's something that I've been using for a while now, and I like it. I like it. And there are other programs out there that give you more more options to do more things with them. Like you can remotely log into someone's computer as long as it's turned on. You can remotely log into the computer without the person even being at their computer. And you can use this for your own computer. So like if you had your laptop and you need to log into your desktop, and this program won't allow you to, like I said, unless someone is physically at the computer to give permission. There are other programs that allow you to remotely log into your computer without you even being next to it. So if you was in, let's say, Alaska, and you need to log into your home computer, then the program that you have will allow you to log in, and then as long as your computer is turned on, then you can remotely log in and work on it as if you were sitting right in front of the desktop. So I'm going to let these scans run, but this will give you the gist of a program that I think that you should give it a try and see what it's like. And if you like it, then use it. But give it a try and see what you think about it. So I think that's going to be it for right now. So I hope you guys learned something. You all take care. Be safe. Peace out.